Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create business roadmaps in Notion using templates in 2025. Start with a roadmap template from Notion gallery or community. These templates are designed to map out long-term milestones and key initiatives in a visual way. You will usually get sections for objective timelines, dependencies, and progress tracking. Customize the template by aligning with your business priorities. For example, break down goals by quarter, add owners for each initiative, and tag items by department or priority level. This makes it easy to see who is responsible for what and when. Switching between different views is powerful. Here, timeline views for big picture planning, Kanban boards workflows, and table views for detailed tracking. Finally, connect your roadmap template to other Notion databases like task OKRs or meeting notes. This creates a live system where updates in one place automatically reflect across the roadmap. And that's it, how you can keep your strategy organized and transparent with business roadmaps in Notion templates for 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.